Hello friends, I'm Karthikesh. We're going to say about how to interface servo motor and Arduino with codings. Let's go and let's get it. First, take the small piece of cardboard and paste the servo motor on it. Then connect the jumper wires to the servo motor. Take another piece of cardboard and paste it in the cap of the servo motor. Wire connections. Servo output to the digital pin 9 of Arduino board, and then positive of the servo motor to the 5 volt of the Arduino board. At last, ground pin of the servo motor to the ground pin of the Arduino board. Let's learn about program. First, we want to include the header file of the servo motor. So in this case, we want to type #include and open the bracket and close servo.h and close the bracket. Here I will show the commands servo motor library. And we want to keep the name of the servo motor, so I type servo and name of the servo 1 and semicolon. Then we want to declare where the servo motor is attached. In void setup, I write the name of the servo motor servo1.attach and open bracket and 9 close bracket and semicolon. In void loop, we want to declare the position of the servo motor, either it's 0 degree or 90 degree. First, I write the name of the servo motor, it's servo1.write and open bracket and degree of the servo motor in where to start. So in here I keep the 0 degree to start the servo motor. And then we want to declare the time period of the servo motor to rotate. In this case, I have written delay and open bracket and 1000 and close bracket and semicolon. It seems to be 1 second the servo motor wants to wait to rotate its degree. And then the servo motor 1 dot write to which degree the servo motor wants to be rotated. In this case, I writing 90 degree to which my servo motor want to be rotated. At last, we want to declare the time of the servo motor to be rotated to its original position. So I return 1000, which is equal to 1 second. After finishing your program, just verify and upload the code to the Arduino board. Now testing.